Welcome to today's video, guys. Today I'm working on a 2008 Mercedes C300, I believe this thing is. And what's going on with this car? C300. What's going on with this car is when you park it, the driver's lights and the passenger lights stay on, and the driver's lights sometimes come on also. Just the little lights here. Let me show you guys. So this light, this light stay on front and back. This light, and then in the back. I already disconnected the battery and everything, so it's not gonna do it right now. But we're going to be replacing the module here with the fuse box module, whatever. We ordered one from eBay, and we're gonna see if it works. So we're gonna be installing that. We disconnected our battery, removed this duct first before you have to get to the battery, and then we're gonna be removing there's two caps on here, and then one on that side that covers the whole arm. That's why it looks all rusted. And those are to take off the arms here. So let's do that. All right, with those wiper blades removed, I used this little tool here that allowed me to pull on it and then hit it, and then it came loose. So I got all of them out without breaking anything. So now we're gonna remove this plastic cowl out of the way and access this area, I guess the motors, and then take the motors off. Let's get it. All right, so what you wanna do is this clips right here, I already took one out. You just gotta pop them out with something like this. So you guys just gotta get it on the head. So it was just this thing was. I'm gonna take this off now. The wiper motor assembly here, so that we can take this out. So let's get that done. Next, we're gonna be removing this connector up here. This one up here, this one, and then unbolt this from the four sides where it's bolted, and then pop it out. Let's get it. All right, so we got this thing out. So now we're gonna have to remove every single pin, and they're colored, so should be okay. So let's take one at a time out and get those things out. All right, to take this connector off from here, you have to press on this tab right here really hard, and it's really confusing. But it's once you get it, it's this one and this one too. There's a black one. I broke that one, as you can see, taking that out. But not like the actual connector here, but like the connector here, just to figure it out. But we got it out now. Let's continue and get this one out. Cleared all the codes and everything, so we're ready to go. Disconnected the battery, and now we're gonna get this done. Let's get it. All right, so this is the old one, and this is the new one that we're gonna put in. They're actually the same number. Actually, no, up to here, it's different. Everything else is the same, but that's what we're gonna program this thing. So let's put this in and see what it does. Let's get it. All right, so with the new module installed, put everything back on, and then we're gonna try to program it. So let's get our handy dandy scanner. Don't forget to plug in your battery. Leave this out just in case, you know, the cow and stuff. But now we have power, baby. Oh yeah. We have it plugged in, do we? Yep. And then I'm gonna turn this thing on. And let's get it. All right, guys. So now I tightened up all the bolts over here for the motor. Everything came out good. I wasn't able to program it. Everything started working actually. So you might get lucky like me. Everything came out good, and then I had this light had a short. So I don't know if that was just it, man. But I don't know. We got it done, and that's what they wanted me to replace. So I did it. You know, there's no issues. All the lights, wiper blades, everything works. So let's get it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video helps you understand how in depth this job is, and you know, please hit the like, subscribe, and you know, that notification so you guys can get more updated videos of everything I do. I got the Skyline over here. I got the other two over here, LS swapped cars. So let's get it. Have a good blessed day and keep it one world in their cars, baby. See ya.